Hello, everybody. We are live here at Dr. Sellers Educate. We are thrilled that you are here, and this is our first live episode. For today's focus, we will be talking about 4 key steps that you want to take to get ready for the CNE exam. If you haven't already purchased your resources, you know that's step number 1, right? Any good student needs their resources handy. So you want to make sure that you go ahead and purchase. I'm teaching in nursing. That is by Billings and Halstead. 6th edition is the edition that you want to purchase. It is an Elsevier text. Okay, so if you're an Elsevier shop, check with your book vendor representative and see if they'll give you a desk copy. And then we have Dr. Caputi's CNE review book. This is the 2nd edition. You want to make sure that you purchase this one as well. And you may have colleagues there at the university who will let you borrow their copy. So if that's an option, you definitely want to take advantage of that. So step number 1 is make sure you have your resources. Step number 2 is to tune in right here on our YouTube channel so that you can review available content complimentary that is aligned with the NLN handout and resources that they give. Specifically, it's the NLN Candidate Handbook. So if you haven't been to the NLN website, you want to definitely commit to taking some time to print out your handbook and to review it to make yourself familiar with the eligibility criteria, the list of recommended resources, 2 of which we've already talked about that you're going to find in the candidate handbook. And then you also want to ensure that you are following the steps that they've identified to apply for the exam. All right, so that's step number 2 is going to be the resources. Step number 3 is to determine what additional review help you need. Okay, so if you have colleagues there at your university, you can definitely tap into them. If they are CNE credentialed already, that's a wonderful resource for you. If not, we recommend that you do take advantage of a review. We offer them here at Dr. Sellers Educate, but there are others out there as well. We do believe that ours is more focused on the 8 competencies. That is the guide that we use to share our content during the review sessions. We also have the self-paced course, so that's available to you as well. And then, of course, the 4th step is just committing to that study plan and executing on that plan so that you can mark it off your list, right, and be successful. I know that you all are finishing up your semester, and this is what I have proclaimed as Nurses Month. Okay, so we know this is Year of the Nurse Educator. There are so many amazing nurse educators out there. I just want to take a second to say thank you for the commitment and the dedication that you make to our students every single day. You're helping them become better nurses and become better advanced practice nurses. Even some of you are in the post-licensure program. So kudos to you. What's up next? We will be having another boot camp on this Saturday, which is May 21st. If you haven't checked out our boot camp, I encourage you to do that. That's going to keep you connected with the community that's going to support you on your journey. So there's about 20 or so nurse educators that are in our community. We like to keep it small. And we talk about various topics based on their request. Item analysis continues to be reported by more than 50% of our nurse educators as a large gap area before they take the exam. And those that have taken the exam and been successful have reported a significant improvement in their knowledge in this specific competency, which is competency 3. All right, so I'm not seeing any comments in the chat, but go ahead if you do have comments here that during our live time, I'll be happy to answer any questions that you have. If not, I hope you'll join us for another live and we'll see what kind of feedback we get. And as always, you want to use the recommended resources to guide you in your study plan. Remember that you should commit to 3 to 6 months of a study plan. Okay, so you want to focus on 1 competency per week to ensure that you close all of the competency areas and close any gaps that you have, okay, related to that content. If you've already reviewed some of our updates this week, you've seen that we have launched and really announced Competency 1 live review. There's a version right here on our YouTube channel that's available for you for free. So happy Nurses Month. We're happy to make that available to everyone for free. So until next time, this has been Dr. Sellers Educate. We hope that this episode has been helpful for you. You can always reach out to us, drsellerseducate@gmail.com. You can also check us out on our website. You're going to find a lot of resources there on our website. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. We also offer a complimentary 15-minute coaching session where we just talk a little bit about where you are and our recommendations for next steps. So until next time, all right, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.